guys, welcome to my channel French Made Easy, and which is presented by Shravani Guge, and I'm going to teach you French in an easy, simple manner. So please subscribe my channel. Till now I have 30 subscribers, so I'm celebrating because this is my 10th video of the channel, and at the 10th bounce only I've got 30 subscribers. So I'm celebrating, and uh, you can also save my videos, okay? So you can download it, or you can even like my videos, because I've got so less likes, okay, and no dislikes, means my videos are good. It what we can say represents that my videos are good without any dislike, but I have likes, okay. I have 100 to 200 likes, but I want more likes, okay. So and subscribers are to 30 at the 10th bounce only, means this is my 10th video. So let's begin with the topic of the day. So the topic of the day is let's adverbs de quantity quantité, okay. The adverbs de quantité means the adverbs of quantity. So what are the adverbs? The words, okay, the words which express adverbs, means tell us more about verbs, are called as adverbs, okay. So so these are called adverbs. Like he runs fast, so how he runs fast, okay. She does good cooking, how does she cooks? She cooks good, okay. So here good and fast are adverbs. So we are going to learn adverbs of quantity today. So there are many adverbs: adverbs of manner, quantity, quality, place, interrogative adverbs, demonstrative adverbs. Many adverbs are there. So n number of types of adverbs are there, means they are going to be, okay. Some in French also there are adverbs. So we are going to learn today adverbs of quantity, okay. So what quantity, what it represents? So what comes in your mind? The mind strikes with numbers, okay. So it represents numbers or some quantities, like how much, some, too much, few, enough, etc, okay. So it represents these words, okay. So let's move towards the French adverbs, okay. So this is the table of French adverbs. Here in my left hand side and yours also left hand side, there is a table of adverb. In the middle is the meaning, and the in right is sentence, okay. So in the adverb column there are French adverbs. In the meaning column there are English translations of that French adverbs, and in the sentence column there is a sentence expressing that adverbs. So thus in the sentence column the highlighted words are expressing adverbs, okay. So I will use a pointer. So these highlighted words in red are expressing these adverbs, okay, these sentences also. So let's move towards the first adverb of our day, which is beaucoup de, means a lot, a much, a many, okay, means a lot. So you must have understood what it is. So il achète beaucoup de chocolats means she buys or she bought very much or many chocolats, means he, okay, sorry, he, it is he buy many chocolats, means chocolats, no, chocolates. Il achète beaucoup de chocolats means he buy many chocolats, okay. So while what we can say, saying this sentence, I am a bit confused, okay. So first to speak French or English, so this small silly mistakes will be happening, because I am also learning French, and I am also a graded child, okay. So in our school it French is taught from 5th, so I only know the basic ones now, so I am also sometimes confused. So let's move towards the second adverb, which is throw the Too much or too many means it is more than beaucoup the means more than very much. Okay, throw the means il prend throw the sucre means he takes very much or too much sugar. Sucre means sugar. So in French there are some words. Um, there are some words which are pronounced differently. That uh, without respect to their spellings. Okay, so here chocolate is given, so we can also pronounce it as chocolate. Chocolate, but it is not pronounced it like that. Rather, it is pronounced as chocolate. Now here sucre is given. We can also pronounce it as sucre, but it is considered wrong in all the languages. Okay, it is pronounced as sucre. Okay, so this is the subject pronoun il. So I will highlight this one for you. So I will use a green highlighter. Okay, where is the green one? I will use a green highlighter. So this is the subject pronoun. At the starting of the sentence, these sentences, these are the subject pronouns. Okay, so the green one highlighted part is the subject pronoun. So the third adverb of the day is apada. A little, a few. Okay. Ja Vix apada sukra means he took a few sugar. Now apada means sugar. Vix means took. Pren means also took. So aseda means enough. Okay. Means aseda crayons means she has. A means has enough pencils. Crayons means pencils. Moeda less, fewer. El bua moeda coke maser. So now in this sentence there is some specialities. So moeda and pluda are in relation. Okay, they both are in relation. How? Let's see. So Muaida also depicts comparison and Pluda also depicts comparison. So while there is comparison, ko is used, okay? Means than, okay? Ko is used. So Mueda less. El bua mueda coke masor means she drinks less coke than my sir, than my sister. Okay, sir means sister. Now we can hear we may be able to pronounce soir, but it is considered wrong in French, so we are pronouncing it sir. Plus de, more. Il a plus de livres que mon frère. He has more books than my brother. Friend means brother. So in the previous video, if you want to check in the last of the video, I will give you the path to go to that video. So there I have given you some basic translations, basic words, and some of the daily words used in daily life. So I have given you that there. Okay. Some frère means brother. So il a more plus de livres que mon frère means whenever there is comparison, que is used. Okay. He has more books than my frère, than my brother. Sorry. Tant de so much means so much. Okay, il mange tant de biscuits. He eats so much biscuits. So now here I am going to first highlight the verbs. Okay, so what are the verbs? Ashit, okay, trend, works, a, bua, a, manje. Okay, so these are the verbs. The yellow one highlighted part, as you can see, are depict verbs. Okay, so the yellow highlighted part is depicting the verbs, and the red highlighted means some red font colored part are the adverbs which are expressing the verbs as quantity, telling us the more about words in the words of quantity. Okay, and the red one highlighted part that words are used in comparisons. So, in the first sentence, Ashit. Ashit means to buy. Prend means to take. Works means to, I don't remember it, but I think it is also to take. Okay. A means to have. Bua means to drink. Again, A means to have, and mange means to eat. So, these are the conjugated forms of the verbs. I have taught the conjugation also in the previous videos, and in these, there are also some irregular verbs also. So, these are conjugated differently, so you have to learn the conjugation of these words. So, I will translate you the adverb column once again. Bakubda, throw the, upper the, acid the, muhe the, plew the, tan the. So guys, if you have doubt related to the adverbs of quantity or the adverbs de quantity, please ask me in the comment section. I will keep the comment section on because for the first video I've kept it off by mistake. So I will keep the comment section on. If you want any question, if you have any question related to this, please put the doubts in the comment section. So, and thank you for giving me your precious time, guys. So because what you know that by seeing such videos you can learn language. So and by the way, it's lockdown time. So means it is the process of unlock has begun, but some of the citizens are at home still, so you can watch my videos every day. Every day I upload one video, so you can watch them sequence wise, and you can learn a language also for future use also. Okay, so you have to do one work for me. Some now there are 30 subscribers for me, but please click the red subscribe button and make it gray button. Okay, so subscribe to subscribe. Okay, so bye bye. Thank you for watching my videos, guys.